was something mysterious about this mountain.
Yeah. All mountains have their secrets, Patch. Shouldn't surprise a kid like you.
Could I help you, Mr. Stone?
Sure. You can help me dust her off. This engine's name is Lady.
Why is she locked up?
She isn't. She's safe from harm.
Long ago, I made a mistake as Lady's caretaker. An evil diesel found Lady
And threatened to destroy her.
He chased her.
Used up all her coal. He made her go too fast. And then he crashed her. And I brought her here. I tried my best to fix her up. But I've never been able to make up for the mistake I made. And I've never been able to bring her to life, to make her steam. Patch, she's as precious as gold.